Hi kids! Today let's see the third part of the lesson Transport in Plants from Biology. Now let's see the topic Speciality of root hairs. The root hairs are well suited for absorbing water from the soil in three ways. The numerous root hairs provide a large surface area. More the surface area, greater is the absorption. Root hairs contain cell sap which is of a higher concentration than the surrounding soil water. The cell wall is freely permeable, that is, permits movements of all types of substances, but the cell membrane is semi-permeable. It allows only some substances to pass through it. The nature of a semi-permeable membrane can be illustrated by the following diagram. The semi-permeable membrane lies between water on one side A and a strong sugar solution on the other side B. While the sugar solution has a higher concentration of sugar molecules, there are no sugar molecules in water. In other words, side A containing only water molecules is a dilute solution, whereas side B containing sugar solution is a concentrated solution, as here the water molecules are comparatively less and sugar molecules are more. The box-like structure is called the semi-permeable membrane. After a while, it will be observed that the level of water A decreases and the level of water of B increases. There are three types of movements of molecules: diffusion, osmosis and additive transport. First, let's see about the diffusion. Soil, water and minerals move into the root hair cell by the simple process of diffusion. In daytime, carbon dioxide diffuses from the atmosphere into the leaf cells and oxygen diffuses out from the leaf cells into the atmosphere during photosynthesis. The movement of molecules, gas, liquid or solid, from higher concentration to lower concentration is called diffusion. Osmosis. It is the movement of water molecules from region to higher concentration to lower concentration. Additive transport. The root has absorbed both water and minerals from the soil. Water enters the root hair cell by osmosis because concentration of water molecules is higher in the soil than inside the root hairs. But in the case of minerals, there are more concentration inside the root hairs than in the soil. These minerals have to be absorbed from the level of lower concentration, that is soil, to a level of higher concentration, that is the cell. This movement of molecules from their lower concentration to higher concentration requires energy and is called the additive transport. Our next topic is the ascent of sap and the root pressure. First, the ascent of sap. The water is absorbed by the root hairs from the surrounding soil by osmosis. It then moves into the inner cells of the root by cell to cell, that is diffusion and osmosis, to reach the central xylem, which continues upward into the stem and the leaves. This upward movement of water and minerals called sap is called the ascent of sap. Next is the root pressure. It is this pressure developed in the root due to the continuous inflow of water because of the cell-to-cell osmosis. As a result of the pressure, water enters the xylem vessels and helps in pushing the plant sap upwards. Thus, Root pressure is one of the force which contributes to the ascent of sap through the stem into the leaves up to a certain height. Thank you children. Let's meet in the next part of the video.